All right, we've got Ashley Harding there. Basically, there was this meeting between homeowners and the city, and to say the tempers flared and it, became a shouting match is an understatement.
What is that?
Bruce and Jen, that is what happened. You know, we talked to people who said they felt like their questions simply were not being answered. Now, for people who may not be familiar with this neighborhood, South Shores is along the South Bank right by Channel 4 Studios. Right now, the city is considering a voluntary program that will allow people living here to sell their homes to the city at pre-Hurricane Irma values. That's because of the flooding issues that have plagued the neighborhood. Now, we shot video you saw there after Irma that showed people using kayaks to get down their streets. The city wants to buy the homes, turn the area into a natural wetland that would stop future flooding. Now, 73 homeowners were given notice about last night's meeting, but more than twice that number showed up. In fact, some told us they just couldn't even hear what was going on. And most of the people we talked to said they needed some more information. So questions and concerns were pouring in before the speakers could get through their initial comments, and that frustrated some people.
And hopefully they can send the notes from this meeting, because personally I couldn't understand. And that's why I stepped back outside, because maybe somebody else could hear it.
Everything was backtracking to make them sound better, and that's not how it should be whenever people are losing their homes and everything. It's not okay.
And we also spoke to city leaders about what would happen if someone chose not to sell their property into the program. Councilwoman Lori Boyer says as long as one home remains, no city services will be removed. Live in South Shores this morning, Ashley Harding, Channel 4, the local station.